Have you ever noticed how the most successful meditation channels on YouTube never show a human face? They transport you. They use sweeping visuals of forests, calm oceans, and vast galaxies, paired with a perfectly soothing voice. The spiritual niche is exploding. People are desperately searching for peace, mindfulness, and a true spiritual life experience. But here is the problem. Producing those high-quality, cinematic relaxation videos usually requires expensive drone footage, professional voice actors, and hours of tedious editing. What if I told you that you could build a highly profitable, faceless meditation channel without ever picking up a camera or recording your own voice? Welcome back to AI Tech. Today, I am going to show you the exact AI workflow to tap into the massive spirituality and healing niche. We are going to completely automate the hardest parts of video production so you can focus on what actually matters: sharing positive energy and growing your channel. The secret weapon we are using is a text-to-video AI engine called VideoGen. Let us break down the strategy. To succeed in the meditation and healing niche, your content needs two things: visually stunning, calming B-roll, and a deeply soothing voiceover. In the past, you would have to pay a voice actor on Fiverr and spend a whole day hunting for copyright-free nature clips. With VideoGen, you do it all in one click. First, you need a script. You can write a guided meditation for anxiety, a morning gratitude affirmation, or a script about aligning your chakras. Once you have your text, you paste it into VideoGen. Now, this is where the magic happens. VideoGen's artificial intelligence reads your script and understands the tranquil, spiritual context. It automatically searches its massive library of premium stock footage and seamlessly edits together breathtaking, high-definition clips of sunsets, gentle waterfalls, and peaceful landscapes that perfectly match the mood of your words. You instantly have a cinematic visual timeline, and you did not have to edit a single frame. But visual is only half the experience. The audio is what truly heals. VideoGen features an incredible library of hyper-realistic AI voices. You can select a soft, warm, and comforting voice that sounds completely human. The AI generates the narration and perfectly syncs the timing of the visual clips to the gentle pacing of the voiceover. The cadence is flawless. Once VideoGen has done the heavy lifting, your video is essentially complete. If you want to take it one step further, you can export that video, drop it into CapCut, and layer underneath some 432 Hz healing frequencies or deep sleep ambient music. In less than 15 minutes, you have created a piece of content that looks and sounds like it was produced by a professional studio. This workflow changes everything. Because you are using AI to bypass the manual editing, you can upload consistent, daily content. You can build a massive library of guided meditations, sleep stories, and spiritual teachings. YouTube algorithms love consistency, and the audience in this niche is incredibly loyal. They will listen to your videos every single night before bed, generating massive watch time and passive ad revenue for your channel. You have the opportunity to build something truly meaningful. to help people find peace in a chaotic world, and to create a highly lucrative automated business at the same time. The tools are here. The barrier to entry is gone. Do not let the technical side of YouTube stop you from sharing your message. Let the AI handle the complex production so you can step into your role as a creator. It is time to start building your faceless healing channel. Try VideoGen today. Link in description.